The first method we're going to use to create some conditional formatting, and there's different ways to initiate the conditional format feature. So let's start off with a basic table layout. Let's put in our fields in here. There's column 1 and column 2. And you can see it lists the information below there. If you want to, we can make this a little larger because we're going to be using it and we can see it a little bit better. So we're going to click on the Format tool, and we can come down to the column headers, and we can make the column headers a little larger, maybe a 12 point. And then we can do the data values. So let's go back and collapse that. Let's come and look at the values here, see where are the values at. Here are the values here. And we can make that 12 point also. So we can see the data a little bit better, a little clearer, so it's not as small. And we're going to simply use this to apply conditional format to this particular table. Now, to do the conditional formatting, you can click on this item. You see the column 1 and column 2. You determine which one you want to apply your conditional format to. So if you want to apply it to the numeric fields, you click the little drop-down arrow here, and then you choose the Conditional Format tab, and then you can actually go through and initiate the type of format you want to do, the background or the font colors, or add data bars. So if I choose the background color, it will actually kick off the conditional format screen.